In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll have the software running and be ready to create a new company file or open one you already have. First, get QuickBooks Desktop directly from the official Intuit website. Choose the edition and year that fits your needs, then either purchase a license or, if you already have one, download the installer. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. It's a good idea to close other programs before you start so the installation goes smoothly. Next, locate the installer you just downloaded. On Windows, that's usually in the Downloads folder with a name that includes QuickBooks. Double-click the file to begin. If you see a security prompt asking for permission, choose Yes so the setup can continue. Now follow the on-screen prompts in the Setup wizard. Accept the license agreement and review the default installation path. For most users, the recommended location is fine. The installer will walk you through each step, and you can always click back if you want to review a choice before moving on. When you reach the installation type, you'll pick between Express and Custom and Network options. Express is the quickest and best for a single computer with typical settings. If you're planning to use QuickBooks across multiple computers or need to control where program files are stored, select Custom and Network. In that case, you can specify whether this computer will host the company file for others or just access a file stored elsewhere. Choose the option that matches how your office works. You'll be prompted to enter your license and product numbers. You can usually find these in your purchase confirmation or on the packaging. Type them exactly as shown to ensure activation works properly. If the installer asks to check for updates online, allowing it can help you start on the latest release. After that, complete the installation. This may take a few minutes. When it finishes, launch QuickBooks Desktop from the shortcut or start menu. The first run may display a brief setup or update screen. Let it finish so everything is current. Finally, decide whether to set up a new company file or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, the guided setup will ask for basic business details and help you choose preferences so your chart of accounts and features match your workflow. If you already have a company file, browse to its location and open it to get right back to work. That's it. You've installed QuickBooks Desktop and you're ready to manage your books with confidence.